So welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss stock price prediction of Federal Bank for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will do the fundamental analysis of the Federal Bank. Then we will do like what our machine learning algorithm predicting for Federal Bank for next few weeks or few months. Then we will do the manual technical analysis using some charts, indicator, OA and FA and DA data. So this is an introduction to Federal Bank. Federal Bank is a mid-cap company which is very good in private sector, and its current price is around 89.92 and its all-time high was around 108, and its stock PE is around 10, which is a very good one compared to its other private banks. PE is just half of that one, and our Rakesh Jhunwala also has around 5% stake in Federal Bank. So this is the quarterly results. So we can see like quarterly results is almost flat and keep on improving over the quarters, and profit also is a good one, and then sometimes it's dropping, but over the years it is good one, and operating before tax and after tax profit also is good looking, and earnings per share also is improved over the quarters. So this is the profit and loss per year. So we can see like there is a steady growth in revenue for the last few years, and profit also improved very considerably. Profit before and before tax also has improved very good in over the years, and net profit also, and earnings per share also improved very good over years. So this is the data input we have taken to our algorithm. We have taken data from 2016 Jan 1st onwards till 2021 November 11. So we can see like past a few years it was in a downtrend, but now it has got a breakout from this particular channel, and currently it is after COVID and all, it is keep on in an uptrend for past 2 years. So this is what our algorithm predicted for Federal Bank for next few weeks or few months. So as per algorithm, this particular high might act as a support, or this particular channel also might act as a trend line. There might be a support, and so we can enter around here, or for a safer side we can wait for 2 weeks and enter as 2 weeks above is broken. So this is the one. So we can see like as per algorithm, Federal Bank might get a support in this particular trend line. This is around 86, or we can enter at this particular high as well, because this particular high was a resistance earlier. This might act as a support, and this high is around 89. So we can enter around 86 or 89, and we can set our first target as around this point. This might be 100, and second target we can set around 110, which because all-time high was around 108. So 108 or 110 we can enter, and this is wrong data. Sorry for that. So this is a candlesticks chart we have taken from ChartLink. So this is a daily candlesticks chart. So we can see like Federal Bank got a support around its 200 moving average. So either we can enter in this particular channel, which is around 85 or 86. Even 200 moving average is around 86. So either we can enter here, or we can enter at this particular high, which is around 89. So traders can enter around this 89, and then they can do some average around 85 and 86, or a safer side we can wait for 1 or 2 weeks and can enter, and we can enter this particular consolidation point, which is around 100 as a first target, and this particular 108 or 110 as a second target. And so we can see like this is a weekly candlestick chart. So we can see like whenever it's a 2 weeks high is broken, and its stock weekly high is closed above 10 moving average, it is doing a very good uptrend. So currently it is in a downtrend. So we can expect some support either at this point or at this 50 moving average point. So risk traders can enter here, or safer side, what next week it might be come like this, and as its 2 weeks high is broken, we can enter. Safe traders can wait for 1 or 2 weeks and can enter, and we can set our first target here 100 and second target as 108 or 110. So this is OA data we have taken for Nifty. So we can see like around 18,000 there was a high resistance is there, but other than that, compared to last week, it was high sell was happening, but this week put volume is a little bit higher, but it's almost put sell and call sell is almost neutral, but there is a high resistance around 17,900 and 18,000. So this week we are not expecting much movement in Nifty. It might be a consolidation and try to slowly reverse. And this is data for next month, 30th December. So 30th December data we can see like OA data is very good. There is a very high volume put call sell is happen, and call sell is much lesser. So in December we are expecting some better movements in Nifty, and Nifty may close 18,000 and 18,500 we can expect in December. And this is a Federal Bank OA data we have taken for 25th November. So we can see like there is a high resistance around 100 is there, 90, 100 is there. So we can wait for some time. And this is next December data. December data also we can see like around 95 and 100 there is a high resistance. So in upcoming weeks this might be shifted down, and as this particular resistance grows we can see some better movements, and we can wait for 1 or 2 weeks to enter into Federal Bank. Risk traders can enter around 89 or 86. And this is FIA and DA net sell we have taken from Opstra. So we can see like in October there was a huge sell happen, and in November as well, because November first week things was better. FIA and DA started buying, but in October third week there was a huge sell happen, and because of Reliance and Aramco deal cancelled, there was a huge sell happened as well. So this is FIA and DA net sell per monthly. So we can see October after Nifty touched 18,600, it was a huge sell, and past 2 weeks FIA and DA was doing some buy and sell together, but November third week sell become high as well. So we are expecting some buy in by December. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.